Hello and welcome to Animate Like a Pro 2D animation in Adobe Animate beginner level. I'm so excited to have you here, and I can't wait to guide you on this amazing journey into the world of animation. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, artist, or a complete beginner, this course is designed to help you bring your ideas to life using Adobe Animate. Before we start, let's make sure you have everything you need: a laptop or PC with decent performance for smooth animation, a set of headphones for a better learning experience, a pen tablet, recommended for smoother drawing. But don't worry, many students manage just fine with a mouse. Adobe Animate software. You can easily download the trial version from Adobe's official website and start practicing right away. We'll start with the basics: an introduction to Adobe Animate, its interface, tools, properties, and various techniques. You'll learn how to use masking to create dynamic effects, add a motion guide for smooth movement, work with symbols to create reusable elements, explore different types of tween animations, understand how the camera tool enhances your animation, learn vector tracing and how to rig a background. By the end of this section, you'll feel comfortable navigating Adobe Animate and be ready to start bringing motion to your designs. Next, we dive into the core principles that make animations look natural and appealing. We'll explore stretch and squash, the key to creating lively movements; arcs, ensuring smooth and realistic motion; timing and spacing, controlling speed and impact; anticipation and exaggeration, making your animations dynamic; and many more essential principles used by professional animators. Mastering these fundamentals will level up your animations and help you create work that feels fluid and engaging. Now comes the fun part: animation. In this section, you'll work on simple animation projects using tweens. Motion tween for smooth movements, classic tween for object animations, shape tween for transforming one shape into another. To reinforce your learning, I've included study material and multiple assignments where you'll practice these techniques and start developing your own animation projects. Finally, we'll move on to advanced animation techniques. Here, you'll learn frame-by-frame animation or key-by-key animation, often called classical animation. We'll also integrate tween animations to create complex animations like flag, hanging shirt, pot breaking, skiing, melting ice cream, coin rotation, flying bird, etc. By the end of this course, you'll have a strong foundation in 2D animation and be able to bring your creative ideas to life with confidence. This course is designed to be interactive, engaging, and hands-on, so I encourage you to practice, experiment, and have fun. I'm sure you're going to love this learning journey. So, let's dive in and start animating.